Let's tap on negative thoughts and feeling to rewire those patterns. We're tapping the side of the hand. Now you can repeat these out loud, repeat them in your mind, or simply listen as you tap. And if it feels safe, gently close your eyes. Even though I felt trapped in negative thoughts and emotions, I deeply love and accept myself. And I'm ready to shift how I think and how I feel. Top of the head, my mind has been stuck on the negative. Eyebrow, I release some of this constant negative focus. Side of the eye, I let go of always expecting the worst. Under the eye, I allow this heavy, negative energy to soften and loosen. Staying on this point, I choose to make space for more balanced, supportive thoughts. Under nose, I release old stories that say life is only hard and against me. Chin, I honor why my brain went negative. It was trying to protect me. Collarbone, I'm learning to guide my mind instead of being dragged by it. Under the arm, I open to seeing possibilities, not just problems. So place your hands onto your heart, take a deep breath in, big breath out, and just notice how your body feels and listen in your mind. I felt negative for a long time and I'm allowed to change that now. Thought by thought, feeling by feeling, I'm rewiring my mind to be calmer, kinder, and more supportive to me.